Everyone, if you're watching this, there's a good chance you've got a business idea sitting in the back of your mind. Maybe it's been there for months, maybe it's been there for years. And every morning you wake up, go to work, collect your paycheck, and somewhere on the commute home, you think there has to be more to life than this. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to show you a path. Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share could be the thing that finally changes everything. Now, here's what nobody tells you about having a business idea. The idea isn't the hard part. The hard part is the gap, the space between I have an idea and I have an actual business. Now, most people live in that gap for years. I know that I did. They research, they plan, they buy courses, they watch videos like this one, and nothing moves. Not because they're lazy, not because the idea is bad, but because no one gave them a clear path forward. Now, you don't know what to do first, so you either do everything wrong or you do nothing at all. And slowly, quietly, the idea fades and you stay in the paycheck cycle. Not because you choose it, but because you never found the way out. I know this because, again, as I mentioned earlier, I've been there. I spent years building businesses. Some worked, some didn't. And through that, I learned something most people learn too late. It's not about working harder inside a system that isn't yours. It's about building something that is. I've coached entrepreneurs at every stage, from people with a rough idea on a napkin to founders growing real revenue. And the ones who make it aren't necessarily the smartest or the most experienced. They're the ones who had a structured path and someone holding them accountable. That's why I built the Entrepreneur Accelerator program. The Accelerator program is a 12-week execution program. Not a course you sit through at your own pace, not theory and frameworks that collect dust. It's a structured journey from I have an idea to I have customers, with me in your corner at every step of the way. Now, in the first 4 weeks, we build, we sharpen your offer until it's undeniable. We create your MVP and set the foundation your business will run on. In weeks 5 through to week 8, we launch. You'll have a real go-to marketing strategy. You'll be putting yourself in front of the right people and you'll be having conversations that convert. And in the final 4 weeks, we grow, we improve what's working, we cut what isn't working, and we build the consistency that turns every transaction into a real business. 12 weeks, 3 phases, 1 outcome, a business that actually exists. Now, maybe you're thinking, I don't have time for this, or what if I'm not ready? I hear that, but I want to ask you something honestly. How long have you already been waiting to feel ready? 6 months, a year, 2 years? Now, readiness is a myth. Nobody feels ready. The people who build things, they just start with the right support around them. And time, you don't need 40 hours a week. You need 5 to 10 focus hours on your own business, your own future, and not someone else's. The question isn't whether you have time, it's whether you can afford to keep spending your time on building somebody else's dream. Now, if something in this video has resonated with you, if you felt even a flicker of that's me, I want you to book a free discovery call. It's 30 minutes, no pressure, no hard sell. We'll talk about where you are, what your idea is, and whether the Accelerator program is the right fit for you. If it is, great. We'll talk about the next steps. And if it's not, I'll point you in the right direction. Either way, you will leave with more clarity than what you had before. The link is right below this video. Click it, pick a time, and let's talk. You've been thinking about this for a long time and it's enough. It's time to do something about it. Goodbye.